Today we're going to be going over implicit differentiation, and this will be part 2 of our implicit differentiation lessons. So find the derivative of y with respect to x of 7x squared equals y to the fourth plus y to the third. So please pause the video and try it out. Alright, so first you're going to want to differentiate all your terms with respect to x. So put this d over dx next to each term. And let's see, 7x squared, that becomes 14x. And then the y to the fourth, it becomes 4y to the third, but you have to leave this dy over dx next to it. And then this y to the third becomes 3y squared, but then again, you have to leave this dy over dx next to it. So yeah, remember, you do that because it's just y variables here, and we're trying to differentiate with respect to x, and so if we're doing that, then, and we just have the y variables here only, then we have to have a dy over dx right here. Alright, so we then bring all our terms with dy over dx onto one side, and we already did that right here, so we actually don't even need to do anything for step 2. So yeah, step 2, it's already given from what we did here. So we can just move right on to step 3. So we isolate for dy over dx, and then we get 14x is over 4y to the third plus 3y squared as our answer. Let's move on to the next problem. Find the derivative of y with respect to x of 4x times y squared equals y to the third. So you're going to want to use the product rule for this, and so please pause the video and try this out for yourself. Alright, so let's differentiate. And so we get, let's see, we're going to use the product rule for this term here. So first we're going to differentiate with respect to x of 4x, and then we'll just multiply that by y squared. And then we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of y squared and multiply that by 4x. So this is the product rule right here. And that'll be equal to the derivative with respect to x of y to the third. So then, let's see, this 4x will just become 4, and then multiplied by y squared, so we get 4y squared. And then for y, this y squared over here, we're gonna, it'll become 2y, and then we have to have this dy over dx term next to it, and multiply that by 4x. This will be equal to 3y squared times dy over dx. And then we move our terms with dy over dx onto one side, the terms without it on the other side, and then isolate for dy over dx, and you get, this is your final answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back soon.